bad, but quality.
Huh?
Just the coloring. Not so bad. You look like you're working.
Yeah, there's a guy standing there eating fucking snips.
I just meant you're still in all your work clothes.
Well, if I'm gonna be lying down on the ground, I was like,
No point in like.
huh?
No point in getting dirty and clean clothes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Do you want to do? Are we doing the middle, or do we do on one side? Jack outside and do side side.
How far in is your depth?
Not.
You can't hit the diffuser.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit everything. The exhaust. So yeah, no.
Guess we're doing one at a time.
Do we got a block or anything? Should we be smart about this?
What?
Should we block it? Or we good?
In the front?
Yeah.
If you're leaving it on the jack, no. The jack's definitely strong enough.
Okay.
You're just on the grass. Hopefully we don't flip your car. Your car is like cambered, you know? Like
Yeah,
negative cambered.
Oh, Canva.
What do you need? That's good.
Roll.
They're kind of rusted.
Huh?
I said they're kind of rusted.
Yeah, we should like WD's 40 on maybe.
Yep.
Give them a little spurt.
Alright. Well, we're gonna find out what size it is.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Get your kid out.
Oh, I guess I could do it that way. Yeah.
I'll grab my impact gun.
I mean, why is that piece coming off of the jack itself?
It's just lifting it up.
Oh, okay.
Just gotta go in.
Oh, it's a rubber thing I'm seeing. Solid? Doesn't seem like it's shaking at all. But are you weight on the jack at all?
Like the tiniest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Alright. Not damage, I hope, or ruined.
No.
Okay. Where's the other jack stand? Or is it here?
I'm just gonna use the jack.
Oh, I just use the jack itself. Okay. Smart.
Just because you're in a really weird spot here,
Yep.
and the jack stand won't probably work.
No, I see what you're saying. It actually will probably be, yeah, that will stay super.
Let me know when it's level.
That's pretty good.
There?
You could drop it a bit, actually. It's pretty good, though. Yeah.
Good?
Looks good to me.
They're going. I didn't expect you to do it.
What?
I didn't expect you to do it.
Bro. No, WD-40 this shit, maybe?
I need a, like a set of, I need a backer with the other side on it.
Alright. Yeah, 1 sec.
I think it's the same size.
Yeah, it's gotta be. I have a feeling if this loose, that means that somebody took a muffler off already.
Or tried to. Oh, that's.
Yeah, it's already loose.
I'm like, no. It's
Oh, you're going.
backwards on here because it's upside down.
Oh. You're tightening it. My
I
goodness.
tried to loosen it the first time. And it wouldn't work.
Just stripping it.
No, I'm not. It's just moving back and forth. It's not fucking doing anything. Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
Well, now we know it's not gonna come off.
Fuck.
That's funny. Don't do that. Ooh, those are hot.
Should warm?
Well, just from the...
Oh, just from
gun.
the You need me to push up, or is it just wedged?
No.
So you know what to do with those bad boys?
Well, this one comes off this way,
Yeah.
but I don't know where the other one is.
It's gonna be up behind it.
Oh, so it'll fall down.
Yeah, once this goes out, it should rotate out. It might come out the same way, right?
No, it goes that way.
It goes that way? Oh, yo, what the fuck?
So,
You may be able to pull off the top though and bring the stopper with you. You see what I mean? How the take it off the top.
I don't think I can.
Oh, okay, okay.
I try. No, it's like in there, dude.
Okay, okay. It might be, yeah. You want my help? Yeah, so maybe there's no gaskets on them.
It's so weird. Like this won't come off, but no. So I've already taken off the one stock muffler box and installed the easy part. That's all it is. Just gotta tighten those up. Gotta get some gaskets tomorrow.
This is the longest bolt ever! You gotta be loose, right? No!
Nice.
Ow!
Did it?
Nice. Guys, done it!
Alright.
You think it'd be easier to take the back one off first or the front one off?
Back one.
Try and
Well, actually, I think the back one's harder to get to, so that's why I think you have to take the front one off first.
Careful about that.
Yeah, you really gotta like slide it out. It doesn't wiggle. The back one's just like horrible. Same thing, you gotta leave it stationary and kind of just move the rubber.
Holy shit, it's like so wedged.
How the fuck? All the way up there.
Wow. It's like such an
On the
awkward
back
angle.
for your. Trust me, Danny. Alright, well, stay tuned. We'll be out in a second.
Looks official. Yeah, that looks sick. Yeah. Huh?
Want to start it?
No.
Why?
Not at all.
It won't make a difference.
No, I know. What I wanna. Gotta hear it all on bro.
Because then we're gonna go for a quick drive.
First wash and then drive, because look at these dirty mitts. Bro, you're doing this in white shorts.
Yeah, I do all my work.
Oh, you just working these shorts?
Yeah, and then I wash them.
But they're white. And then we're gonna come out with the nicest again.
So yeah, I have spray.
Oh. Oh.
Clean.
Uh-oh. Not going on?
No, dude, it's just, I hate sliding. You have to get the thing in first. Once you get it, then it's fine. Bolts.
They should be right by your head somewhere. I left them in there. Yeah.
Where the fuck are they then?
They're right behind your head.
Well, then there they are.
What the hell, man? Say, get them hand tightened, and then they'll see if they're even on the gaps. Yeah, they're pretty close. Yeah.
That's the stuff. Ratchets.
Yep.
And the gun.
The gun is behind your head. Other side, yeah, there. Alright, you ready?
No. Are you?
For the moment, yo, get out of here,
Yeah,
yo.
wait, I was trying to get that close.
Hey, gross. Alright. You'll get the little. All right. Are you ready? Yeah.
There it is. Catted gang. We're gonna annoy so many people now.
Sorry, neighbors. Yeah, that's the sound of
you hear the pops?
Yeah.
And you can hear the... Yo, let me do it. All you can hear, dude, is turbo sound at the end.
I know. Yeah, the smallest little turbo sound.
It's like that.
Aw, yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Best $150 you spent?
Best $150. Sick. All right, well, let's watch these mitts and then go do this.
It's gonna be, it sounds so much different when you drive.
Oh, let's set this.